What is photosynthesis? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. Every breath you take, every meal you eat, you owe it to a tiny chemistry experiment happening inside leaves right now. Photosynthesis is how plants turn sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into food and oxygen. Sunlight in, sugar and oxygen out. That's the whole game. 3 ingredients: sunlight from above, water from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the air. It all goes down inside chloroplasts, tiny green factories packed into every leaf. The green pigment? Chlorophyll. It's what catches the light. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water plus a hit of sunlight equals 1 glucose molecule and 6 oxygen molecules. That's the recipe of life. Stage 1. The light reactions. Chlorophyll absorbs photons, splits water molecules, and releases oxygen as a byproduct. Stage 2. The Calvin cycle. The plant grabs carbon dioxide from the air and stitches it into glucose, the sugar that fuels it. Photosynthesis built our atmosphere. It feeds every food chain on Earth. Even your morning toast traces back to a leaf catching the sun. So next time you see a leaf, remember, it's not just sitting there, it's running the most important chemistry on the planet.